Hello and welcome to this first tutorial. In this video tutorial I'll show you how you can create a banner slider in Elementor using the free Elementor plugin, and in this tutorial we will not use any pro widget from the Elementor Pro plugin. So before starting this tutorial, let me show you the final output. This is a banner slider, and when we hover on it and click on it, we get a hands icon that we can use to slide the banner. Also we get two navigation icons, and this is how the design looks in the front end. Okay, it's a neat and clean design with only a single image, some text and a button that usually you will see on any enterprise website built using Elementor. So for starting this and creating the banner slider, you will need to add a plugin called as Sina. Since I have already installed the plugin on this website, it will show me activated, but for the sake of the name I am just showing you the plugin position and plugin icon, so you will install the correct plugin. So this one is the extension. It's an add-on for Elementor and adds beautiful sliders and many more important widgets that are not available in free Elementor plugin, and either you will need to buy a paid add-on or Elementor Pro to add these features. So you will see I am using the free version of this Sina plugin. It's Sina extension for Elementor. Right now I am into my Elementor editor and I'll show you the widget I have used. The widget's name is Sina banner slider. So you can go ahead and add a section. When you add a new section, search for the Sina banner slider and you'll find this. So I am dragging and dropping this because I already created this. I'll not go into and explain everything, but if we go into the settings, here I have added the image. So now I'll show you the exact one that I have built. So this is the banner slider. I'll show you the settings. This one is the title that you can see over here. I have used HTML, and for the breaks I have used the BR tag. So BR is an HTML tag which divides a line into different sentences, and you'll see instead of the text aligned on the first line, it's divided into 3 steps. So this is because of the BR tag from HTML. So here is the image added. This is the same image. The title tag I have selected is H1 because this is the first section of the website and the first tag should be H1 for SEO purposes, and you can add any secondary headline if you want to. I have just for this tutorial I have just keep it as it is. No further changes are required. This is there is some button added. You can use this button as a call to action button. People can click over here and go to your product page if you are providing any product, or you can link it to any services that you're providing, or you can even link to a landing page where you want to sell something. So this is the button setting. The text is simple. I have not selected anything, I have not linked it to anything. And regarding the section settings, I have only used the full width section with minimum height, and I have set the height to VH, that is it will automatically adjust the viewport of the screen, and it is set to 100. So the column position is also top. It is not default, it is top. And apart from that I have not used any other setting. Let me check if I have added the overlay for background. No, it's as it is. I have not used any setting from the section. So the only settings that are added are from Sina. Okay, these are the styling. If you only add the image, it will not gain the full height of the section, so you need to adjust the padding and you can add the height. Let me show you how it will look if I decrease the height. So you can see it is contracting. If I make it 500, it will be small for this tutorial purpose, and it looks elegant when I make it 700 pixel, and it's look beautiful on my laptop. So here are the styling settings that you can add. I have not implemented much, just I have selected the white color for the title and added a margin, so it differentiates between the first and second headline. And for the button, I have just added the color, nothing much. Yeah, and I have added the padding for the button, that's it, nothing much. And in these 2 or 3 steps, you can create a beautiful banner slider for a website. For the sake of this tutorial, I have added only 2 sliders, but you can add 3 to 4 sliders. If you have 3 to 4 products, you can add a slider for every product. So hope so this tutorial helped you. If you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any updates whenever I post a new video on this channel. Thank you for this video. My name is Rahul, and see you in next tutorial.